To redeem McDonald's digital coupons, start by downloading the McDonald's mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. The next step is to browse the available deals and offers section in the app, where you can find all the current digital coupons. Choose the coupon you want to redeem and click on it to add it to your mobile order or to save it to your account for later use. If you want to use the coupon immediately, select the items you want to purchase and add them to your mobile order. When you are ready to pay, go to the checkout section and select the coupon you want to apply. The discount will be automatically deducted from your total. If you are using the McDonald's self-service kiosk or the drive-thru, let the staff know that you have a digital coupon to redeem. They will ask for your mobile number or the code associated with the coupon, so make sure you have this information ready. It is also possible to redeem digital coupons when ordering from the McDonald's website. Simply log into your account, select the items you want to purchase, and enter the coupon code at checkout. To get the most out of McDonald's digital coupons, make sure to check the app regularly for new offers and deals. You can also customize your account settings to receive notifications when new coupons become available. By following these steps, you can easily redeem McDonald's digital coupons and enjoy discounts and savings on your favorite meals. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of each coupon, as some may have specific requirements or restrictions.